And the Lexington Fayette County Health Department is updating cases of pertussis, also known as whooping cough. They say Lexington is in the middle of an outbreak of pertussis, with a total of 14 confirmed cases reported since April. 4 new cases of whooping cough have been reported since last week on Friday. 2 of them were reported over this weekend. 12 of these cases are in school-age children between 13 and 18, and 2 community cases, with 1 patient being 80 years or older and the other a 2-year-old. The health department is asking every kid to get the vaccine, and also a booster is recommended for ages 11 and older.